shares. You buy, you can buy the shares. You can buy the forex market shares, commodity shares, gold shares. So basically, the fiat money has got a bigger exposure where the cryptocurrencies are going to go, right? So if you have seen last 4 years, you have seen, apart from just trading, many other things came in. You can say, started with the trading initially, but with time now you have yields, you have stakes, you have lending services, you have borrowing services on it, right? Sorry, borrowing. So a big DeFi ecosystem has been created, which is decentralized finance ecosystem being created over the period of time. And now you can see the way this industry is moving towards, and many projects are coming with the layer 2, layer 1 solutions where they are offering yield aggregator and all those things. I mean, the Uniswap and PancakeSwap, the reason of growing in last 2 years, 3 years on such high scale is just because people can earn passive income without selling their cryptos, by just being the liquidity provider, by just being because they can stake, they can participate in yield pools, they can lend, they can also borrow. So big DeFi ecosystem has been created, which is making a lot of institutes getting into a part of the crypto space. Same with the BTC-Z. The first thing which is very exciting and which will drive and thrive the NFT market, which is like people can stake. When I say stake, basically it's your connection to node. In the other way, node connection is our terminology, but basically what you are doing, you are staking your miners from your wallet. You're staking it with the node, and you're able to mine BTC-Zs, which is having the same technology and same white paper as the Bitcoin white paper. So, I mean, this is something which is going to be very huge in the NFT ecosystem for future. And definitely, since there is a same, like I said, it follows the same roadmap, follows the same technology, follow the same architecture, follow the same statistics, follow the same model as Bitcoin model, BTC-Z is going to be very big with the time. Definitely, building things take time. Whatever Bitcoin is today is continuous efforts and continuous build up over 13 plus years or 12 plus years, you can say. And that's why you have such ecosystem around you today. The banks are being a part of it now. There are crypto cards and so many things. I don't want to go very deep in details because most of you know about it already. My main motto is that what we have been able to do successfully is something which is almost impossible because you are using your phone, your MetaMask, your miners, and hash power to mine the real cryptocurrency, which is decentralized. You know it, everything. I don't have to repeat it again and again because we have other major topics to cover. So first of all, I would like to thank the development teams who have pulled impossible task over the period of last 1 year, been able to deliver the mining dApp, which is capable of interacting with multiple contracts shipped to the dApp and capable of doing what you can see now. You just refresh your wallet and you can see everything is working perfectly, and you can also see that every 10 minutes the rewards are getting credited to your wallets, and everyone who has miners are getting benefited. So big thank to the developer sides, the developers and the tech guys who have pulled it up together over a big period of time, and we were able to launch our Genesis block yesterday, and mainnet integrations, which was almost impossible. I mean, many times things they do well on testnet, but they don't work well on mainnet. So we were able to pull out DApp where the mining is being happening through SHA-256 miners. Let me also tell you something which is a bigger future, because your SHA-256 miners who are able to mine BTC-Zs will be able to mine other cryptos as well. So next target which we are keeping with us, with our development team, is another crypto which is being deployed on the Bitcoin blockchain. This is something I'm just giving you a clue today. So everybody knows one of the top coins are like DOZ. So we are coming up with DOZ-Z. Starting from Genesis block of DOZ-Z as well, where people can use the SHA miners. If they want to mine BTC-Zs, they can connect to the node of BTC-Zs. And if they want to mine DOZ-Z, they can start mining DOZ-Z, because DOZ was also a fully decentralized system, hard forked from the Bitcoin blockchain. And Litecoins, so you can see LTE, Z, and all those things. So it's not only one crypto is going to be mined by this algorithm-based coins, but yes, in future there will be, or you can say Ethereum Z as well, because Ethereum was also a part of a proof of work. Ethereum mainnet is proof of work. The beacon chain is proof of stake. So now it is going to proof of stake. But if you see the development of Ethereum, it was with proof of work on Ethereum mainnet. So since Ethereum was pre-mined 63% before the launch, and all the holders are getting benefited from last many years, when we will go the very same way we are going with the BTC-Zs, which means no minting tokens before, 100% supply logged, 0% minted tokens. Everything will go to the community. So this ecosystem has huge potential of getting into and redoing many big projects where people were not able to be a part of it in the past. So we can pull up a lot of things in coming time. All we need the community to grow. When the community is growing, that will be a more motivation on the development ground to the developers, and then they will be creating all these things where people can not mine not only one coin but multiple coins from the ground zero, from the Genesis block itself. And that is what something which will come with a resonance model on the decentralized space, because now you have your DApp, which is a proper decentralized application, finally working from last 24 hours very perfectly, which means there is nothing, no changes, nothing is required. And also we have done a couple of hundreds of blocks, more than you can say 720 blocks has been created. I mean, 72 blocks have been created. So things are going very well. I would like to thank all of you for participating in such a huge number. You can raise your hands yourself for your hard work of making it happen, because I'm going to show you something which is going to be very interesting, and will take it to the next step. Like I said, you cannot deliver everything in a day, and I will talk about that as well. But moving every day, taking one step every day is what makes you reach towards your destination. So let us start the real Zoom today. Thank you so much. And congratulations to everyone who have their miners connected to the node and mining every minute, every 10 minutes, they are getting their rewards. So the main point I would like to bring is the next point, which is the harvesting side. So what is the basically the steps that you have done? You have connected your SHA-256 miners to the node, and you can see the rewards coming to you automatically, because you have been providing your hash power to the node, securing the chain, and basically getting the rewards. So I will show you all these things. So what is harvesting? Let me open my DApp, and also let me share this information with you, that how to do that, and why harvesting sooner is more profitable than harvesting later. So I'll cover all these points and some extra points along with it. So let me get this information. Let me open my DApp on MetaMask wallet on my computer, and let us go to the next step. So I hope all of you can see the MetaMask wallet DApp. Can I
Yes,
see
sir.
your hands?
It is visible, sir.
Okay, thank you. So basically, this is common to everyone. Everyone can see the same things. There is nothing new. The price, the circulating market cap, and basically mine BTC-Z net worth. These three metrics are not correct right now. The correct metrics will be there within next 24 hours. So basically, it will collect the price from the market, from the liquidity pools. According to that, you can see it's more than 24 hours, so more than 7,200 is circulating supply in the market, and circulating supply multiplied by the price is the circulating market cap. So once the price will be fixed, the circulating market cap will be fixed, and subsequently, you can see the my mine BTC-Z net worth will be fixed as well. Mining hash rate, you can see, is moving up. Basically, every day you can check that mining hash rate is moving up, which means more miners are coming and participating. This chart of total market cap will also live once you have your price live. So only 3-4 metrics are not showing the correct information. So once we will have the price information fixed, the rest 4 metrics will be fixed automatically. So we started, if I remember yesterday, let me also share this information with you. So when we started yesterday, the mining cost was around 6.25 BUSD against 1 BTC-Z. This was the mining cost for one coin yesterday. Which is now gone up to the mining cost is around more than 7.8 BUSD per 1 BTC-Z. So what I'm trying to say here, and I will show you the calculation that people can check themselves, the mining cost that they are at what cost they are mining, because the hash power is growing. Every block, the difficulty power is growing, so the mining cost is going. And like my last Zoom, I have explained, no one is controlling the mining cost. It is being controlled by the interaction of hash power being provided to the node. So more hash power to the node, going to solve much better security, going to secure the chain more, and more hash power to the node, which means that the rewards are going to be distributed among more miners, which means the cost of your mining will keep going up. And this is why the main purpose of Bitcoin price going up from last 12 years. So you can understand that the BTC-Z will follow the same chart, will follow the same graph as the Bitcoin has followed. Because without harvesting, if you are not harvesting, which means you are not collecting your rewards. When you harvest, then you collect your rewards. And when you harvest, basically you pay the hash power you have used for the mining. So for one thing, I wanted to share this with you. So let me go back to the DApp, and here, if you can see, mine BTC-Z is 0.29 and ZWatt borrowed is 110.19. So 0.29 and 110.19. So how calculation will work? So you can see that the mining reward, I have 0.29, which is with the node, and ZWatt, which is basically your hash power used, is let me check again, 110.19, if I'm correct. Well, yeah, 110.19. Right now, the ZWatt is at 0.02. The price of ZWatt, no one is controlling. It can change as well. Depends upon the difficulty level and the hash power being used, because you can see everything here is being connected with the smart contract shipped to the dApp, and everything is on blockchain. So there is no one who can change these things. These are the data which is getting interacted from the main nets, and all of these main nets are on blockchain. So how much money I have to pay to mine my reward, to collect my reward, to harvest my reward from the node? So 110.19 multiplied by 0.02, which is, let me calculate, 110.19 multiplied by 0.02, which is 2.20 BUSD. So once I go and I buy for 2.20 BUSD, basically I have the ZWatts to harvest my reward. So what is the cost of mining right now is 2.20 divided by the reward. So you can say total mining cost divided by mined reward. So is 2.20 divided by 0.29, which is 0.29, which is around 7.59 BUSD, or you can say simply USD. So it started with 6.25 yesterday. Right now it is 7.59, and with time it will keep growing up. So if I am not harvesting instantly, basically what will happen, let's say I harvest after 7 days, it's my reward sitting in my staked, my connected node sitting with my wallet. But let's say after 7 days, if consumption goes, definitely consumption will go bigger, because every time you can see the hash power is going more miners are being connected. More miners are being connected, which means less reward is going to the each miner. Less reward going to each miner, more hash power. So definitely, for example, I harvest after 7 days, I may need to pay, I don't know, I'm just telling you the calculation, but it will be more than 7.59. So when I harvest sooner, basically I'm harvesting it on a lesser cost against the higher cost for the future. Anyone can mine, anyone can harvest anytime they want. I can harvest today, I can harvest after 7 days, I can harvest after 1 year. If I wish I don't harvest if I don't harvest in my whole life, then those BTC-Zs will be there, but it will not go to anyone else. So the BTC-Zs that you hold in your wallets, if you don't harvest, they are already out in supply but not in market. So it's like they are just in between. So nobody is getting benefited from that as well. So don't think that if you will not harvest, you will lose. You will never lose your reward. Never lose your reward. So this is your reward. Only your wallet can be used in harvesting it. It is just that the harvesting price will keep going up because it's the mining price which will keep going up, which is the best part, which will make your BTC-Z price going up higher and higher. So let's say one wallet, for example, has 100 BTC-Z and but not harvested. Don't worry. When the person will harvest, only then the coins will go to the wallet. which means only then the person can trade it. So if it is just only mined, not harvested, don't worry, it will not be used for any manipulation. So there is no price manipulation. The more late you will do, my job is to give you information. The more delay in harvesting is more harvesting cost. So it is up to every individual that they want to harvest now at the less harvesting price, or they want to harvest later on higher harvesting price. Or if you don't harvest never, let's say you have 100,000 BTC-Zs, but you did not harvest them, don't worry, they are with you. They are not in market because they cannot be traded in the market. To trade those BTC-Zs, they have to first come from the node to your personal wallet. Once they come to your personal wallet address, then they are available for trade. So the best part is that there is no price manipulation. The later people will harvest, they will be harvesting on the higher price, which is good news for everyone who have harvested before, because my harvesting price, I will harvest live some of my reward. So my harvesting price is lesser against after 2 days of harvesting price. So basically, the person who have harvested after, the community who is harvesting after 2 days, the production cost is more. So I already made my profit, because I have harvested yesterday at 6.25. I have harvested yesterday at 6.25. Right now is 7.59. So you can see that if you see the percentage, I am already 20% up, 25% up, because everyone who is harvesting now is paying more price. So my money has already grown because I have harvested it for the lesser price yesterday. I'm going to harvest now for today price, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow, everyone will keep harvesting with time every second day, because definitely you cannot harvest everything today because the reward will take place with time. It's like every 10 minutes, 50. So you can imagine after 6 months, after 3 months, after 1 year, let's say the harvesting price is $600, $500, $200, $80, no idea. Depend upon the difficulty level and total hash power. So contributed with the node. So you can see every second day my BTC-Z's value is growing. So whatever BTC-Z's I have mined yesterday and I have harvested yesterday, they have already gone up in price. If I would have harvested them today, I would have paid 7.59 to harvest them today. Because I harvested them yesterday, I paid lesser money. So production cost for me yesterday was 6.25, and production cost for me today is 7.60. If you want to calculate the change of, if you want to see my profit, so 7.59 minus 6.25 divided by 6.25 multiplied by 100, which is 19.43% profit in 1 day without trading. I don't know about the trading price. Definitely, because of the harvesting price will go up, trading price will go up. Only I can sell it for, let's say the price right now is $7, for example. Okay, only I will be selling it, because if I sell it for even $7, I am still in profit because I got it for 6.25. But the people who got it for 7.59 will not sell it for $7, because it's like shooting in your own feet. You paid more to take it in your wallet, and then you are getting less money against it. So with time, the price naturally will keep moving up. So everyone is going to get more benefited if they are harvesting with a lesser harvesting fee. So I did my 20% already because I harvested yesterday. And everyone who are harvesting instantly, they are getting benefited because harvesting cost will go up. So do check on this tomorrow yourself. Do check how much ZWatt consumed. Multiply it by 0.02 and divide it by your mined reward. So my mined reward was 0.29. So for me, harvesting now is 7.59 USD. Let me go and let me check the current reward system. Let me share my screen. So if I refresh my page, .30113.63. Let's do the current calculation. Let me share my screen again. So my reward is 0.30 and reward is 113.63. 113.63 and reward is 0.30. So what is my cost is 113.63 multiplied by 0.0, or we can do it after 10 minutes once there will be more change in the matrix. But you can calculate yourself. You will find that the GWatt will keep moving up automatically. So better to harvest now so that you get profited than tomorrow. How many of you understand this phenomena? Can you please raise your hands? So only around 1,000 people understood out of 5,100. Can I see more hands? Because you have to communicate and you have to understand that harvesting today is always cheaper than harvesting tomorrow. Can I see more hands, please? So basically, when you harvest for lesser, tomorrow harvesting is more money. You already make your profit before even going to trade. Thank you so much. Moving towards the so we move towards the next topic. I hope you understand this part of harvesting. Harvesting is live. You can start harvesting yourself, and you can keep. So I'm going to harvest now, and I'm going to show you because I have to cover some other topics as well. So let me share my MetaMask wallet. Share screen. I need 113.63. One more thing, when we buy GWatt, don't worry, the rest of the GWatt stays in your wallet. So for example, I need 113.63. How will I get it? So I'll go to Zfuel. So let's say 3 BUSD, 150. I need 113. It doesn't mean that I will lose the rest. The rest 37 will be in my wallet. So because this is something credited to your wallets. So I'll click on buy. I will communicate with the node. I will go down confirm. You can see success to buy. So basically I have purchased and I have 150 GWatt balance in my wallet. And now I'm ready to harvest my reward with the BTC-Z mined. One more thing, whether I have a coin in my wallet or not, but because I have not added BTC-Z to my wallet yet, but when I will add and I harvest, it will come to my wallet automatically. So if we see the smart contract address for 1 second, let me check the smart contract address for BTC-Z. So let me copy the smart contract address for BTC-Z. You can also see this here. Just 24 hours, 43 holders, 283 plus transactions. You can see when you get the mining reward and blockchain, it says reward. It doesn't say transfer. So it's not that somebody is transferring BTC-Zs from wallet to wallet. It is a reward, which means it comes from the main wallet, which has the total supply, which is the locked supply, no minted tokens. So from this wallet address, where you have all 21 million tokens, from this wallet address, every 10 minutes, 50 goes as a reward, because it's logged unminted. It doesn't. So this is why you always see reward here. You always see reward. So just for information, so I can see some people have 39, 31, 12, 7, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Because they have harvested their tokens already. So let me copy the smart contract address. and we were here. So the smart contract address for BTC-Z is this. I will copy this smart contract address again. Let me share the screen of my MetaMask. I'll go to I'll go to wallet. I'll click on import token. I have already harvested yesterday. This is a wallet for the computer, for the Mac. So it's not showing here, but in my phone, it was showing my my harvested tokens. I will go to custom token. I'll copy paste the smart contract address. I'll get all other information. I'll click on import. And you can see I already have 7.43 BTC-Zs, which I have harvested since yesterday. So 7.43621. So when I'm going to go my browser, I go to dashboard and I go to refresh the page to mining page. So I have 0.31. The Z watt borrowed is 115.49. I have purchased already 150, so I already have balance of that. So now I will click on harvest because I have the balance 0.31. Before harvesting, let me reject. Let us see the balance. So the wallet balance is 7.43. Going back, harvest. I have the balance, confirm, communicating with blockchain nodes. Success. So I have harvested 0.31. Let me go back to dashboard again. Let me go back to mining page again. Wait to see. You can see the balance is 0.0 now. Balance is 0.0. Z watt borrowed is 0.13 again because continuously my miner is connected with the hash power. Okay, because it is connected, I'll receive my reward again. So it was 7.43, I believe, if I remember, and now it's 7.74. So 0.31, which I have harvested already in my wallet. Are already in my wallet, right? Are you following me so far? Can I see the hands, please? You harvest, you add the coin in your wallet, and it get added to your balance automatically. Nobody needs to send you anything. You don't have to ask anyone. You don't have to email or do something. This is all decentralized system where just your interaction with the and you get everything yourself. Proper blockchain mainnet is working. Going back to the another phase of the BTC-Z. So we go to browser, we go to dashboard. All right, the price, like I said, will be corrected. Now it's showing 9.66. Let me check. Okay, so it is showing 9.66, which I think is now it is showing correct, but we will see. We will see, right? So because it collects the information from the direct dApp. Let me refresh from the market browser dashboard. 9.66, right? So the small liquidity pool is created once you click on the buy now button. You can see BNB and BTC-Z. You can see my balance is 7.74. I have 0.06 BNB, and I have around 18 BUSD in this wallet. So if I want to see one BTC-Z right now is around because there's no liquidity for the trade because of no BTC-Z. So 0.1 is around 1.40. So one BTC-Z is right now $14 if we are swapping it. So the swapping, the trading is live, but since no one has the token, so I'm unable to buy even one, even if I have the balance, because insufficient liquidity, not liquidity of my BUSD, but liquidity of BTC-Z. So how much I can buy? I can buy, let's say 0.2. 0.2 I'm able to buy. No, not letting me do it because trade price impact will be too high. Let me buy 0.121314. Okay, it is letting me buy 0.14 for $2.06, which means cost is around $14 to me. More than that, swap anyway. I swap. So 0.14 will be added to my wallet again. It is because price impact is high, less liquidity. I plus confirm, and now I'm swapping. Wait, confirm. So 2 BUSD will be deducted from my wallet, and I will have 0.14 BTC-Z to my wallet added. So let it get, okay, transaction is confirmed. Let me go back to wallet. You can see 7.88. So I have purchased 0.14 BTC-Z from the market. Now the question is, how we gonna make these trades much more better, because no liquidity. No liquidity of BTC-Z is what everyone is excited about, because it's all distributed in a very decentralized way. So I will show you how to be a part of this, which is I'm talking about. I spoke about last time how to become liquidity provider of BTC-Z. Passive income from PancakeSwap without removing liquidity. Passive income is around 0.17% of total trading volume, which is big passive income without me selling my BTC-Zs, without me doing any trading on it, but I'm getting percentage from each trade which is happening. So I have, because a small pool is created, I have seen this. You can go and follow this link. I will share in the group today. Because of very less liquidity, prices very up and down with the small trades. Is $17. Yesterday night it was $1,100 because $1,100 in night yesterday. Because every single small trade can make the price go very high, can make the price go very low. What is more important? The more important part is that the price should not go down than the harvesting price. Someone should be very foolish that on one side I'm giving $100 and on the other side I'm taking $80, for example. I want to do trade. Everyone want to do trade with profit. So the BTCs that I have harvested yesterday for 6.25 already have 300% of growth if I sell them now at this price. But I will not be able to sell all of it. Now it's $19. So it's like people buying it because it's not only, you can say, mining it, because from mining you are getting reward. Imagine buying it also at this price. Once your mining cost will be more than $100 and you purchase today for $19, you are already doing 5x on your purchase, because the price for harvesting will keep going up. That is the phenomena of Bitcoin. That is why the Bitcoin charts goes up. It never goes down than the mining cost. The mining cost right now is around $17,000 to $18,000. We have seen it coming back to $17,000 or $18,000 and then going back again now to $23,000. So everyone who is mining right now, they have $5,000 benefit in the market. Of course, it has been 12 years for Bitcoins and the liquidity in the market, because around 18 million Bitcoins are in circulating supply. And this is why people are, you see some, when you sell, now 13.76. So life change. But you can see the trade volume, which is 2 BUSD, 2 BUSD, 1 BUSD. So it's small because the liquidity is not there. So if we see the liquidity side, it's only $27 worth of liquidity. But the trading volume is around $600. Everyone is testing it, which is a huge thing. Your liquidity is $27. Your trading volume for 24 hours is more than 30 times of the total liquidity. And you can see right now only 0.98 BTC-Z are in the pool. So we need more people to participate, more people to buy and sell. So if we don't want to sell, if we don't want to buy, at least we can become a liquidity provider, because liquidity needs to be provided in order to go on further exchange listing in future. But since there is no liquidity, we understand the liquidity will come on daily basis. Right now we have only around how many coins we have in circulating supply. So right now we have around, if I go back, In circulating supply, we have this is the beauty, Again, I mined 0.01, and yeah. So circulating supply will show here. We have only 7,800 in total as circulating supply. So in 1 month, it will be 200,000 some supply only. So with the time, the supply will come. We have no hold on it. No one holds any extra tokens that someone can give supply or provide liquidity. But small trades can happen. Small trades are live, a good profit on trading as well. And if we don't want to sell or if we don't want to buy, at least we can contribute together to provide the liquidity. Once we provide the liquidity, all of us will get benefited. So I'm going towards how we can become a liquidity provider. So it's very simple. I'll click on same buy now button. I have BTC-Z and be connected with my wallet. My wallet is connected. If your wallet is not connected, it will show like this. So you have to connect your wallet first. You connect your MetaMask wallet, and then you can see this. So I'll go to the liquidity, and then find. It is asking me to add liquidity. So I'll click on add liquidity. Now it is asking me which coins of liquidity I want to add. So I want to select, let's say I select BUSD. I have 16 BUSD. And on the other side, I'm selecting BTC-Z. So I have 7.88 BTC-Z, which is having a value of 108.52. So if you divide 108.52 divided by 7.88 is around $13.77 for 1 BTC-Z, and mining cost is still $6.5. Sorry, 7 point some dollar we have calculated. So it's still 2x, 200%. But don't worry about the price. This price on very lesser liquidity can go to $7, can go to $1,000. Yesterday you have seen it has went to $1,000. So now I want to add, but 1 BTC-Z is around $13. So I cannot add liquidity of my all BTC-Zs because I have to provide liquidity in both the pairs. So I can maximum provide $16 worth of liquidity because BUSD I have less. If I have more than 108 BUSD, then I can provide liquidity of my all BTC-Zs. So I will select add liquidity, but you can also read here. By adding liquidity, you will earn 0.17% of all trades on this pair, proportional of your share of the pool. Fees are added to the pool, occur in real time, and can be claimed by withdrawing your liquidity. So you will get benefited from all the trades happening on BTC-Z by just providing liquidity, and you can remove this liquidity anytime you want. So I will say add liquidity. Now it will ask me. So I want to give, let's say, $15 worth of BUSD, and automatically how many BTC-Zs is calculated, 1.08. Let's say I want to add 2 BTC-Zs, then error. Because I have less BUSD and I need to have 27 BUSD to add 2 BTC-Zs to the liquidity pool. So let's say I add 15. Let me, because I cannot, I don't have BUSD. I will deposit more BUSD and then I can provide liquidity. And then these are my coins in my wallet. I'm not giving it to anyone. I'll show you. So let's say I have 15 BUSD, which means I can provide 15 BUSD liquidity, and I can provide 1.08 BTC liquidity. You can see here 13.76 BTC-Z per BUSD. Share of the pool. Right now, my share of the pool is 53.52 because in the pool there is less than 1 BTC-Z. So my share is 53.52, and I will receive 0.17% of all the trades of my share of pool. So 0.17% of all the trades of 53.52%. How many of you are following me? Can I see your hands, please? Okay, so around 1,200 people that are understanding that what I'm saying. Liquidity providation is not about giving your tokens to anyone. Liquidity providation is that you are just providing the liquidity and you are making one extra passive income. You can say one extra passive income you are making for yourself, which is 0.17% of trading volume of my share of pool. So my share of pool is around 53%, which will go less with time when more liquidity providers will come. Right now, there is only 0.9 BTC-Z in the pool. So because I'm giving 1.08, not giving, just providing liquidity, I will be able to get 0.17% multiplied by 53% multiplied by total trading volume daily. You can say it's instantly, it's live, it's not daily, it's all the time. This is my daily passive income without doing trading on BTC-Z. Daily passive income. If the trading goes to $1 million after some months, definitely it will go to $1 million, which is a very small number. We just need the liquidity of coins. The coins will come with the time. Then the trading will go to $1 million. And even if I hold 1% of the liquidity pool, which means 1% of $1 million is 10,000. Okay, and 0.17% will be my profit, which means if you take 0.17% of $10,000, 0.17%, sorry, 10,000 multiplied by 0.17 divided by 100, so $17 income just sitting and doing nothing. So I did nothing. If I am the liquidity provider of $10,000 worth of liquidity provider to $1 million pool, I'm receiving $17 for doing nothing on every trade. And when it goes to a 10 million trading volume, it will become $170 income for doing nothing a day. So the best way of generating the passive income, people always talk about where to invest. What do you do to receive your passive income? Let me go back and let me show you that a decentralized exchange is giving you the passive income without doing nothing. Going back, so I have to refresh it because price might have been changed. So 15 BUSD 1.01 equivalent to 1.01 BTC-Z. I'm holding 53.52% of pool, which is very high right now because very less liquidity. When more people will provide the liquidity, automatically my share will come less, but the trading volume will grow more. And so yeah, now I will click enable BTC-Z. It will ask me to enable, asking for my permission. I approved. So I'm giving liquidity of 1.08. Wait. Transaction is completed. I have given liquidity. Now it is asking me to give the supply. I'll click on supply. You can see 15 BUSD, 1.08 BTC-Z, and confirm supply. So confirm. So 15 BUSD from my wallet has been transferred to the liquidity pool, and 1.08 BTC-Z are also transferred to the liquidity pool. All done, all completed. Let us finish. Wait. I'll go back, swap. This is where we can swap. This is liquidity pool, and you can see it is now showing. This is my liquidity pool. BTC-Z and BUSD. Total value is around $30, and Pooled BTC-Z was 1.08. Pooled BUSD was around 15. Some is the gas fee which I have paid, and right now my annual reward is 400%. So being the liquidity provider, around 400% of passive income I'm getting on this. When I will click on remove, I will click on remove, and I can remove my liquidity. I can remove 25%, I can remove 50%, I can remove 75%, I can remove 100%. And then my passive income will close, but I will receive my BUSD and I will receive my BTC-Z back in my wallet. If I'm going to enable it, I'm going to enable it, and I will receive my principal back, and coming back to my wallet, and along with the profit which I have made over the period of time. So no selling, no trading, just by providing the liquidity, everyone is making passive income. Right now it's around 404% APR, which is annually it is showing this much. But I am not removing it. You can see LP reward APR is around 404%. I'm not removing it. I'm keeping it here because who doesn't like the passive income first? And the second thing, this is important for the growth of ecosystem. Why it is important for the growth of ecosystem? Because no one has BTC-Z. I don't have BTC-Z to get it listed on some exchanges. I don't have BTC-Z for the tradings as well, because there is very less. Let me go back, keep going back. All done. Don't worry, you can go back. Nothing will change. You will be back to your DEX. Mine dashboard. I can go to the same link again. I can click on buy now again, go to liquidity, and you can see whenever you are a liquidity provider, automatically, once it is connected with the wallet, you see your liquidity. Please watch these tutorials before being a liquidity provider, understand it, and you can click, you can remove whatever you want, you can take it back. I'm keeping it there, and I'm going to provide more liquidity with all the BTC-Zs I'm going to mine, because first of all, the BTC-Zs will stay with me. I don't have to trade. I'm receiving daily profit on it from the trading itself without selling it. And I believe the price is correct now, showing on our website, our DApp 14.70. Let me check the live price. But anyways, we will check it again if there is some problem. But 14.74, yeah, it's fine. So now you can say that your live price is showing, which will fix your three metrics. How many of you understand me? I don't know. Can I see more hands, please? Thank you. So you can become a liquidity provider. You can get the passive income on daily basis without doing trading. That passive income you can collect. Whenever you're going to remove, you will be able to collect the passive income of 0.17%. And what you will get as a passive income, you will get cake. Cake is from PancakeSwap. You will receive cake tokens automatically to your wallet. How many of you know cake is top 50? Yeah, most of you know cake already. So as a passive income, you will get the rewards in cake. So this 0.17% of trading volume which I am making, I'm getting the cake tokens in my wallet every single time as a reward. Once I'm going to remove my liquidity providers from the pool. So importantly, let's go back and let's see the liquidity now. You can see pooled BTC-Z is now 1.96. It was 0.9 something because I have added one BTC-Z to it. So please, there is just one request to the community. You can say request, you follow, you don't follow, up to you. You trade, you don't trade, up to you. But everyone understand passive income. Provide liquidity to the pool. The more liquidity in the pool, more stable price, more people can participate, more people can buy and sell from the market. I am buying as well and I am mining as well because I know I will not see this price again. It's very basic. I don't know. I don't want to buy for $14 or $20. Right now, mining cost is $7. But whenever I see the price close to mining cost, I will buy because that is the least minimum cost that I can pay. And apart from this, many other people from outside the community, they will attract towards BTC-Z because they know that nobody holds that somebody can dump. And everyone holds who has the tokens with them, who have the coins with them, they have the coin with the cost. Nobody got it for free. So the growth in hash power, the growth in harvesting is what keep the price of BTC-Z growing up. It's up to the vision of individual that they want to sell now or they want to sell later. But sell is also important, because unless you don't sell, how can someone buy from market? So if you are not selling it, at least be a part of the liquidity pool where your tokens are with you. Apart from that, you are receiving a good passive income on everyday basis. As soon as your wallet will keep growing, you will keep growing on the you will keep growing on the other side. This is something I wanted to discuss with you today. The trades are open. Let me just, yeah. Trades are open. The Dexter link will be shared. People can go check. Now your DApp is showing the correct prices as well. And, you can become the liquidity provider, become the passive earner. BTC-Z has a huge way to go. This is merely just 24 hours with such big noise in market. And, with time, there will be something much more things. So my focus will be on building use cases, bringing more community, making more visibility for the project. And this should be our goal too. So on the other side, there are some simple questions which have been having some problems, that the Android phone users, somebody said that the Android phone users, when they are going to their MetaMask wallet, clicking on browser, the link is opening in web browser. So though I don't use Android phones, but I think you have set your web browser as your default browser. So when you're gonna deactivate that, it will open. If you're gonna connect, it won't work in Safari or Chrome. It has to have a Web3 browser. So make sure that if you face some problem, you check which browser your link is opening. Make sure it should open inside the MetaMask, which is DuckDuckGo browser. DuckDuckGo browser, which is what Web3 browser is being used in MetaMask. So very important information. If you're facing any difficulty, please check you have the gas fee. Probably you have more miners and you have less gas fee, because each miner is each transaction. If you are moving 10 miners from your wallet to the node, 10 transactions. So make sure you have the enough gas fee. You won't see any failure. If it is not opening, please make sure that you check that you are not on web browser. You are inside the MetaMask. It will confirm, and just keep happy mining. Keep enjoying. Keep addressing. My next Zoom will be after 2 more days, and then I'm going to do a Zoom on ECN as well, as promised. So the main focus was the perfect launching of BTC-Z, making sure that everybody is able to do, because this is a bit tricky, but the kind of dApp we have, it's very user friendly, guys. And become a liquidity provider. Enjoy your passive wealth, and also harvesting. Individual decision, because harvesting will keep moving up because of the chart you can see on the dApp is moving up for the difficulty rate. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. Keep enjoying and keep growing. Bring more and more people to the project, because it's not something you are doing for me. First of all, since I don't have any, I have merely 7 or 8 BTC-Zs with me. And I am mining with with 2 miners. Even if I mine with 200 miners, I have to pay the same harvesting cost. So no one is privileged here. No one is working for each other. Everyone is working for one common goal of getting more benefits of being a participant of one project. Today we buy some coins, we sell some coins, but But the thing is that this is just merely a trading. You are making your own kingdom. You are creating your own kingdom, and you are doing it for yourself. So the next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, on BTC-Z, because this is 100% decentralized system. There will be 3 groups. This is how I have planned for the future marketing for BTC-Z. One group of people who will be supporting. This is one group of people who will be supporting BTC-Zs. And second group of people, definitely, when you have people who like something, you have people who hate something. And then the third group will be people who just watch, the supporting group and the haters group. You call them haters group, you call them non-supportive group. I'm sorry for writing haters, but this is what we do. So this is going to be the guerrilla marketing strategy. 3 groups: supporting people, group of supporting people who are supporting BTC-Zs in the market with the flags in their hand. The people who don't like the project, haters, very good. We give them a platform as well so that they can talk wrong about it. And then we give a platform to spectators, who are only watching which group is growing. The supporting group is growing or the haters group is growing. So guerrilla marketing strategy on this concept, nothing else. 3 groups: supporting, non-supporting, and spectators. So this is going to be the agenda of marketing. You can say Simon go back example. You can say BTC-Z sucks. You can say BTC-Z refuse BTC-Z. You can say scam. Welcome to the haters group. Please provide your, write something. Just talk bad about it, because that is also a content for spectators. The people who like it because they know they are not stupid, they're getting benefited from it. Even after one day, become a liquidity provider, get benefited from today. Okay, it's a small amount, but what? What did you invest in BTC-Z? So the people who are supporting can be a part of supporting group. Supporting people content is also important. Non-supporting haters content is also important, because most important group is the spectator group, who just believe the price, who just want to get the benefit, who just want the profit, don't care about nothing else. So we don't have to get worried if somebody is calling it a scam. We give them a platform to call it a scam. Much better. And if somebody is saying this is the next future Bitcoin, oh, you are a supporter, come to the supporting group, enjoy, make your contents and share it in the supporting group, and everyone else will be the group of spectators. So thank you so much. Enjoy your passive incomes. Congratulations for your support, your love, and be the liquidity provider. Enjoy much better passive income. Good luck, guys. Bye. Good night. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for joining this session. See you in the next room. Thank you.